To generate the simulation in Opensim and import it in Blender, you can do this. First you go to the Patreon to get the files and open the Opensim file inside Opensim, like this. Then you have a model, and this model already have an object and a simulation velocity to this ball to interact with the skeleton. You can change the velocity of the ball and the position of the ball using these sliders. This is set to -10. So when you press this green button, it's gonna play the simulation and record the action. After finishing the simulation, it's gonna go through 100. Then you can go to the navigator and results. You can right click on the results, save as, and you can save it. Let me call it test3 and save this file. Now we go to Blender, we load the blend file provided, which is this one, and you have to set the path where your blend file, where your mod file, the one you saved from Opensim, where it is. You place the file here, the folder here, and put the name of the mod file that you want to load. You just have to mix with the parameters over here. If you want to change the FPS, X, sometimes you get the mod file from another place, or maybe an STO file. They are not in degrees. You can choose 0 to load in radians. Not the case, you just leave it as it is. Add the new file and run the script. Running the script, you have the animation imported, and that's it. One important note, I noticed that if you use some other velocities, for example 20, Opensim tends not to behave as expected. You can play and sometimes it's not going to finish the simulation. So be aware. That's something I was looking to, trying to find before releasing, but I wasn't able to find. So I'm releasing the way it is, and as soon as I find something that fixes it, I will post. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.